Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the password and security. Then let's scroll down again to find advanced options and tap on encryption credentials. And as you can see at the bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Of course, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is currently inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.